Reliability milestone occurs late in the construction phase. The goals are to assess the readiness of the software to begin the transition in the customer or user sites and to authorize the start of acceptance testing. Acceptance testing can be done incrementally across multiple iterations or can be completed entirely during the transition phase. It's not necessarily the completion of the construction phase. Product release milestone. The product release milestone occurs at the end of the transition phase. The goal is to assess the completion of the software and its transition to the support organization. If any, the results of acceptance testing are reviewed and all open issues are addressed. Software quality metrics are reviewed to determine whether quality is sufficient or for transition or to the minor milestones. For most iterations which have a 1 month to 6 month duration, only 2 minor milestones are needed: the iteration readiness review and the iteration assessment review. Iteration readiness review. This informal milestone is conducted at the start of each iteration to review the detailed iteration plan and the evaluation criteria that have been allocated to this iteration. Iteration assessment review. This informal milestone is conducted at the end of each iteration to assess the degree to which the iteration achieved its objectives and satisfied its evaluation criteria, to review iterations results, to review quantification of test results, to determine the amount of rework to be done, and to review the impact of the iteration results on the plan for the subsequent iteration. Periodic status assessments are management reviews conducted at regular intervals, monthly, quarterly, to address progress and quality indicators, ensure continuous attention to project and dynamics, and maintain open communications among all stakeholders. Periodic status assessments serve as project snapshots. While the period may vary, the recurring event forces the project history to be captured and documented. Status assessments provide the following: mechanism for openly addressing, communicating, and resolving management issues, technical issues, and project risks. Objective data derived directly from ongoing activities and evolving product configurations. Mechanism for disseminating process progress, quality trends, practices, and experience information to and from all stakeholders and open forum. Iterative process planning. Good work breakdown structure and its synchronization with process framework are critical factors in software project success. Development of a work breakdown structure dependent on project management style, organizational culture, customer preference, financial constraints, and several other hard-to-define project-specific parameters. A WBS is simply a hierarchy of elements that decomposes the project plan into the discrete work tasks. A WBS provides the following information structure.
Created using Powtoon.